Abarozi ba Kitara TV Julius Kyomuhendo nigama baragange kandi na hati tuizire na program yawe tubantu bungisa omuntu owembaganiza aine ebintu byakozereho omuzini politician wa MP ba abantu baba bembaganiza so nakiro kinu tuliresira omuntu wawe embaganiza kandi tuhayiro omugisa tujja ku bantu bazaho na omusajja wa mani Matrix n'amabaraganda ajja kubanaga bagambira by to producer Matrix kandi abamuzini n'ebintu ebindi tujja ku bantu nyumyaho nawe musajja mugayiga muno empako mbajja moti kandi nzarwa abamuli kandi nimba mulisa mwebale muno kamba gondeze program ene bane banyumira
Prince Studio yeah running a dance from this anyway Pasto kunduba amazimai wokungeta Pasto kunduba ai wokufera Pasto kunduba amazimai wokungeta Pasto kunduba ai wokufera Pastanya wenkorombire amazima kelanji nyo wenkusazireho maire ningendo mutima gule meireho gwangamba kirinjije kubongeho what bintu binge biremere mukama kamusaba hama baitaginyimire mukanisaba kangamba ngisibire maziro wakana kanyamanta kalire
watankurumbire baiterangeru hangara bisobora ataiwenterwaho ebyo mazima ruhangara kigumirawe mutina ruhanga baitutanye kange eriwe
Pasto kunduba amazimai wokungeta Pasto kunduba ai wokufera mazima kukiregetaira nakokulya okungamba ntakungonza Pasta tokumbia kanda bandi kabanyeto muyaye muchache natahamu nta pasta
sabe chiganyiro bojo kansisire omwengo go nitubuta ebikonde byo nitaisura jali pasta nsabire mukama tata nganyire
Pastor wana itwe nuko tuchotulubata muhanda uhimbire yasa yatuhire hankondo twebembezi na tutwara habugenyi baita marara gaitu tulemera muhanda Pastor tuichukyo tajwa
magama bonsaba akuha baitu bojo kansabire obundi ngambanyo we mujwahira sabiriza muno Pastor ndekaneye
ambagambire geto ina Matrix tujja ku bantu nyumyaho nawe eibara nyomanyire Matrix baitu mkimanyiro oli musajja munyoro nkwenda we yanjure na mabara gawo gona nempako na bikebyo
otyo muno waitu Bukuru Julius kubanza kwa byona nja kusima kufuna obuyire kubaho na nyowe no kumfocus ga kumanya nti wewe omojo na waine byakozero amabara agenzaro abanyita mugwanya James Robinson mba musajja muganda baitu ndi muyihwa wabanyoro nyina nyo aba mukazi munyoro kandi nkulire bunyoro muno nkulire muno basonga mba mujukuru barwasajwa mba mujukuru wa James Kiza so aba basonga ba musajja mukuru abasonga ba Buraru Kibali nsomeire Kakindo Primary School St Jude Primary School obwire bwangu bono bukusinga mbumaziro hondi ha
ati Matrix ibara lino Matrix kandi lyo likajerita
ibara Matrix basically gaba masani ngo karozere ebintu byange kunjire ni bikorankira muno kora masani maingi Matrix kimanyisa masani dikyo kurane beat zinkora zona zihuniriza abantu hatali hano wonka mu Uganda yona n'ensi za heru
akutuhondera Kitara TV Matrix ono nuwe alinka representative oba representative njete ntamurinyo akukikira abazini mu Uganda Musicians Association harubajuru abunyoro so nkwende conversation ene tugiye kubantu gire batira hari ansonga za music ya bunyoro ekibazo kubanza tutakagenzera harayira music industry ya bunyoro sahazino okugiro leri halefoki
kutwaliza hamu oba mubyona music eba affected in munsi yona habwa nature mulinge koramu nti music hatali collecting royalties online music yetaga kusoroza abantu nikokole sente so area yo side ya music ekaba affected so much but it is a general problem niko bagamba baitu bokora general analysis ya trend ya music ya bunyoro amanano gali nti music ya bunyoro kurakurana kugenda maiso you can see nyowe nkagaruka muka banza nyakora music baitu out of here baitu kunyagarukire muka if you see the trend of things nkubizine nibikorwa nyonka nyowengereza okutekaho bulyo nkomuntu ninkonyerwa ona bagenzi bange kwatagana current twalete bintu bingi papopati mbabo before COVID came in we had Belgiums at the same time tukaba tuina lero ndagamba tukaba na inokati concert egyo actually mu Uganda yona mu Africa yona yakaba mahanga abiri
yabaire ya AIDS
it was a free concert egyo it's a very big concert supported by American Embassy at the same time it was supported by American Embassy Rotary Club of California n'abantu bayingi
so kuranti kunanka tutaka genzira harayira fine ya ugambiro kaleta papo pate waleta ino concert waleta na Belgiums
nkabaningia kuleta Belgium
ya kabano jagireta omuntu amuroza kutuhonera akwenda kenga omuzini wa bunyoro ebe bintu byona byo kuleta wakubifuna mwata
ekyo kubanza nokubanza nkakirealizinga nti abazini ba bunyoro abatali ba gospel aba gospel botinja kubabaza muno at least for them they have a platform to showcase their talent baina amachachi baina ebintu byembaganiza bamana crusade hala abantu bakusa kubarolera bakamanya ono muzini nanga kyoka abazini abakora mainstream music and music yete sarab abantu bandi bagieta secular but me I don't call it secular because secular means against God but basically that's not what we do so abazini abandi bakuzina music ene ya side ene zindi baba ibataina oku showcasing the talent zabo ekyo kubanza nokubanza kiba muntu kumanya omulimu gwawo kutonda omulimu gwawo so basically ebintu all those platforms tusoboire kuleta n'abantu abandi ziyamba abazini kufuna platform ekya kabiri abazini babunyora bakira habayiriho omulingo gwokubajoronga kuba arondi batakusasurwa but I want to bear it witness n'abantu abandi bankozereho nabo gonze nayo wenyino kimanya nti nyonka nyomuntu gunsika omugisa nkogo ayo nyongera ikibeta advocacy ku advocating akuru nti abana babunyoro basasuyirwe abana babunyoro muri ako kakabe ka obundi kaba kasente katoito tikakubaire baitu entandiko of course most importantly entandiko ebantu ito tujagena to buildingira akuru nti abazini babunyoro basobola nokusasula sente za ezikuingana ingana n'aba Kampala so basically kyo kubanza platform ekya kabiri kusasurwa bafunamu akasente n'economy ekura n'economy ekura
oiriho ekihabuzo kyangi no fine ryo bali no balizera bibaire bikuru ekihabuzo iriho kirugiroga aro minister omu yagambire nti economy ya Uganda eri halevu yogamba hati nanyo oba yamanyisa ganti eri halevu yokoyokura so nanyo nikyomba inyenda kenga music industry ya bunyoro bokuba nogirora sazina abazina aro abazina bayaka abayizira aro n'abakuru ababayireho industry nogirora nti level yokuyiruka gende kuimuka oba ekiyali hansi nti tuina tukole kino nakiri ku rant industry yako
kambaze kugaleyo katoito burabo obaino ra trend ya music ya bunyoro basically you'll find that nti ebintu ebibaire major mu bwire bweira bubakoraga Coca-Cola for example rated next kunu bunyoro tibatu kwataho gabagendaga 40 na mbarara all the major events za music is music calendar ya Uganda orogati ba focusingaga Kampala mbarara 40 na Jinja olundi Mbale olundi Gulu baitu bwokulora nti ebyo ebintu bitandikire kuba nibijaho Bunyoro it means naito tutandikire kuba nitufokasingibwaho tutandikire kusamba akamezo kusamba akadirisa nabwekyo nkugambira habwe ebintu ebyo bitukulora ebitito muno kwenda kugumya omulozi wa Kitara TV nti music ya Bunyoro etandikire kugenda neyetengerera mbaisaaho tujja kutandika kusimbula na Kagere habo kuba kulora Uma it was a hustle kulora nti twabagamba inyo mu kugamba haki nti mulani mubaza hali Buganda Bunyoro is the biggest kingdom actually Eastern Central Africa. What is the problem? Habaki mutaka focusing it was a lot of advocacy kulora nti twagamba bantu abo ti wewe naito tuliyo saha zinu tukubaza tukukokolima abantu nibabura nibagamba Bunyoro hali empanga so it is a very good gesture hali tugenda ti hali
ijweri bakakoma kuba niwe nokikirira abazini ba Bunyoro omu Uganda Musicians Association akutondera Kitara TV Uganda Musicians Association nikye kitongole kiteraniza abazini bona mu Uganda so ono wekitinisa matrix bakamukoma kuba niwe nakikirira abazini ba Bunyoro bigenderwa kibya Uma byina hali abazini bano ba Bunyoro
amananu gali Uma ine bigenderwa bingi ekyo kubanza nokubanza Uma niyo itwakumanyire nka entity egya kuteranza abazini bona mu Uganda ekibaire nikitutalibanza ati abantu ba art ebirabikira titwenda kuterana tumanyire amani gokolera maybe obata abagezi muno timanyire titwenda kora hamu basically bulomu abana ego bulomu abana nebigenderwa bebindi basically Uma is erihanu kurora nti yatuteraniza kyo kubanza nokubanza Uma erihanu kurora nti abazini ba Uganda na Bunyoro bona kutwaliza hamu baba neira kalimu butukuba neira kalimu kikumanyisa tujja kuba tuongeire kitu kwesere demand yaitu tujja kuba tuongeire eira kali yaitu bargaining power that's very important to rolent night government kwe kuba ne planning for other sectors ekusobora kuba ne at the same time ne planning ira night abazini because abantu tibakimanyire by the way people don't know that in other areas art ekozere kikoto muno kurora munkura kurana ya mahanga gandi you look at Nigeria oja kusanga two artists Davido and Wizkid are bigger than the oil and gas industry even Uganda to focusing infrastructure oil but people will be by jakuba surprised muno kurora anti music ekusakora returns nyingi nokukira na mafuta gaba kufocusing because ekyo kumanza mafuta bagafocusing aho tugenda mu electronic cars gagya kugwe bei bokura trend ya technology tuina emotoka eziri ezokucharging ne bus bakozere mu Kampala zokucharging so what is the importance of amavuta if we exploit the importance of intellectual property and art oja kusanga anti Uganda kusobola kufuna muno because it is the basis of development so Uma erihanu kuteraniza kurora anti yatera ya beginning muzini yafuna amani to planning a current to take into action the copyright law copyright niriye iteka iri kusa kugeza ku current ebintu byona ebi byona bizigwe obwongo oba intellectual property byaba nibibalibwa nibisobora kusasurwa habukuwa kurora abazini baita ba Bunyoro aba Uganda yona ba losing a lot of money billions of money habo butaba na copyright so under Uma we are ready to advocate liaise with the political people abantu abali mu parliament twaro anti bakwata batebolinga ebintu binu hameza niko government yateraho obulyo bokora sente
fine Uma ebitekerezo bya Uma birungi ne bigenderwa byaye baitu nayo ukimanyire in most cases ba regional artists bantu baba consideringa ngenda kwa kikurulira honka ijweri aroba promoter baba high cent ntabako bakaba baina shows baba batekanize mu covid tizabayo baba cent baitu nantu ina ba promoter baba baina batekekirina shows batabata high cent in most cases yo kimayikurungi abazini ba abali regional tibaba consideringa atinka representative wa Bunyoro buli yokiboteire okururanti even the regional artists ba considering
ati mze mukamwa kinja kugambira nti abantu ba regions tuino bucheke mukinto kitwakwesere kufuna information sente ezo ezaba promoters nizo nja kubanza kubazaho nsa kuba ni nyo omuntu nyenka yasoboire kugenda kuseroliza sente ezo ha Uganda National Culture Center UNCC nyaro nkagezaho no connectinga na bapromoter hana babaire bakoze ekibalekerwa hero ekyo kubanza obucheke butulina bwo kugendezaho kurola nti twaterana twabahamu ekyo kimu then ekyo nkaguizo kyo gamba nti abazini bakora kibalekwa muno enyuma basigala muno enyuma aba regions nyongya ku besinga ha kugamba for example habintu ebinsoboire kukora nyowe mumanyire Bunyoro nta musayija asamba akayigi nsambe meza ninyemera ningamba wewe kintu kikozere kita ebintu byone bimbaire nimbamu ndolera kimu for example nkugambi nkwenda kuba honest nti papo pate ekabanza kusasura abazini ba Bunyoro bonka bwegenda handi gamba tujabaha other platforms tukubayamba ne bakozesa but Bunyoro at least local artists were paid so ngenda habwa track record yange nkugumya abantu nti nyowe ko muntu nabe kulembezi bona bandi nabo ha gundi under the woman executive because we are very many rocking G Center it's a committee of 12 people tuja kura anti to advocatinga nti abazini ba Bunyoro ito basically tulinka aba Bunyoro buturarora tweteranizeho no obulyo bwa regions ezindi well and good but for now we shall focus abazini ba Bunyoro ito tukwenda kura anti Bunyoro egenda kufuna mu ekyo kubanza no kubanza financial arm ya umma eri the umma sako treasurer wa sako mwana wa Kilyabutuzi Hanson Balirun lero turatandikira nka kuwebwa kutwebwa so amananu gali tujja kozesa obuli obukurola anti Bunyoro yaba ezimu ha regions zijja kubanza kufuna habo kuba kirungi twesteire mu strategic positions ayo enkaye bokuba abokuba ino yobaire mu industry for akumara kaira karairaho akusikira haliwe bizibu kibyokorora anti ebikiya mesize industry ya Bunyoro eno korora anti yakura no kusinga ozinanu sazi nongerere eke kubanza no kubanza kuterana kubahamu abazini abantu abazini abamu aba Bunyoro tibakimanyire nti every star has a place in the sky tuina ku evaluating our abilities on nature because nature ekozerwe all even a plant the life you live is the same life a plant will live it's the same life an animal will live so we can always connect with nature so every star has a place to shine nikyo kuro nyuze ezo tizirwanangana so nkwenda abazini ba Bunyoro bakimanye nti buli muzini buli business buli producer aina obusobozi bokora sente gonzo ndiaro so batakitwarange kikuru kusindikangana nikyo kuranyo studio yange okura studio ezindi ba producer sanga amazire myaka 10 no mukaguzo kegeso hataro but for example my studio I'm giving an example I have very many producers that I'm bringing up I'm giving them time to flourish abo kuba baija kufuna ba customer ababo so na music niko kiri abazini bakimanye nti tukusobora kwitwena kuba kurungi hataro asindikire mugenzi because the market is so wide then it can't that is one challenge that is affecting us the other challenge is we lack income resources money in our investment capacity is very little ekyo kubanza anti tituina kamera za kabi studios zaitu tukwe ya na kamera zisakuba zero maybe even the money zo kusasura tugeza asagenda Kampala kusasura Sasha Vibes baita zine tena sente milioni 10 zake tugambe sente zikiali ntaito mu industry sente zikiali ntaito mu industry yaitu tukukolera budget ntaito that's another challenge then the third challenge I'm going to say is tuine kizibu kya media platforms abantu abakira hano bayina ama radio tibamanyire rules bayina cooperating iramu to be honest most of the radio stations here zihebwa bogenda mu bagenda bat UCC. They are given regional broadcasting licenses, which means they are supposed broadcasting what we call local content, 70% local content. And babagamba local content, kimanyisa local content ya Bunyoro, the regional local content. So omuntu wena ali ha radio inakumanya anti radio yone eri mu Bunyoro is supposed kutera 70% Bunyoro music. That's a law, it's a rule. Bite of which apokwati tuina iraka bagenda ni batusamba igani bakoraki. ni eki kintu nibataki followinga. That is also a challenge. Kugamba anti media teyemereire naito amananu gali tukukaka bukaka but media please you kuli kubarumba, but the truth is you need to step up that game in that line. Habokuba abantu
media kibaho media zo kumentioning
kumanyisa radio stations, kumanyisa TV stations, kumanyisa ne media zindi basically abantu bona bakoraki but is supposed to playing a 70% Bunyoro music that we know. We are tukwenda batahira tukwenda kutabuka naye nyo baitu bakamba itu tukutero omuranga ati naito mututunuleo then keki akandi kinkusakubaza basically those are the major problems. Ebyo bintu biterekereye tukuba kurungi muno industry.
Aroho initially bananka babaine ni batandika kuzina ba Chameleone bakaba baine kizibu kya bakongo haija habaho kizibu kya ba Jamaica haija habaho kizina na aba Nigeria nabo bayize recently. Tugambe na music industry na music ene kuruga Buganda na Yesu ekere music ya Bunyoro. Can it be a challenge also?
Honestly it is abantu ba Bunyoro baina taking at this corner. Nyowe I've been in many aspects in many departments that unite people. Nkaba musambi omupiira. Football is a culture. Music is also a culture, one way of trading your culture. Nkwenda kumanyisa omuntu wa Bunyoro wena alyoko akimanye nti without music of Bunyoro era Bunyoro ejja kuikara etyo. Tinkwenda kuchua like taking people's efforts for granted. For example, tukwasire sente nyingi twaziteka mu kitara. Imagine if that money was invested in just half of that money or a quarter of that money is invested in one artist. That support. You imagine how much support we would have, how much recognition we would have. Music is the best way to trade culture because it is a language. Bokura Bungereza eka controlling ensi by spreading its language. America no bwe likoleta Bungereza lisigareri mukamu wayo habokuba they are the own of the language that you speak. So if we don't trade our language, and the best way we can trade our language is through music. Because music is the easiest way. No,
or maybe it could be not it's a na music yonka. But I think anything to do with performance, film, art, yes.
Art. It is the best way of trading our language. Over film, whatever. Meaning that abantu bajja kufuna confidence. Nkwenda kugambira nyonka somera mu isomero Bugando. Nkaba n'abaana Banyoro batugire nabo hoyima. Nyondi musajja Muganda. Nkakora club ni bageta AIDS challenging club. One day tukahika ntugya kuumura twagamba tuhandike attendance list na buli omwe handike hala kurugane namba yesimu. Nkunigiza abaana Banyoro. Omwana yanga yahandika ke ibara lye babiyenda so and so ndugambarara. Ogomanyire kimwaruga hoyima. It is because abantu abo balakingire the reason to bond with Bunyoro.
Tali proud in
hala kuruga. Taina muntu wakusa kwenyumirizamu. If we do that through music, it will be the best way. Other than football, by the way, football is already a culture. Omuntu akusamba mpira ija kubaza Oluganda. Kyonka ekize mukira kiri ki Olunyoro. Iwo manyira abwaki abasomesa banasare babani begesa abana, for example alphabet bagidramatize nga bagiteka they melodize it. Abuzino bo mwazinaga A B C D E F G Y.
Nabo kuba kibanguhire kwata.
So it is only music that we can use to trade our language and culture. Iwo manyire sentence ngaha, for example abaharabuzi batahia just for trading their culture, their code of dress, their Arabic language to Africa, to the rest of the world, how much money they get. Abantu ubogure kanzu, hare kanzu zikolebwa na Kasero Kampala. Baite kanzu ya Saudi Arabia. Eja kuba yebei muno. Do you know the returns, the economic impact? So you must be able, people in Bunyoro must be able to measure the magnitude of a socio-economic transformation that music can do. Mukirolere hari Buganda forget the whole of this Uganda just because of they traded their culture. Okuru Abaganda bagenda mahanga gandi. Tibi yitu Abaganda kale nyondi Muganda, I know them, but nyo mutima gwange nkulire hano Bunyoro ndira Carol, that's what I know. Abaganda no bagenda aro wasigana na abazoruganda. Ninyo mumanyire muramu izire kugura mujja kwese.
Ninyo mwina kuhindura.
But that is bad. Kitegeza so na Abanyoro tulina kwega.
Tugambe nti ne challenge endero tugambe nti eriyo gamba nti Abanyoro kitukabayire ku kwenda kike kituli. habo kubando zire nabana nibategeka na shows hano abanyoro nibatagendayo kikizibuki
tusa kumanya ekituli tutafunire that sense of that sense of confidence butularugayo tukafuna omunyoro akazino olonyoro akasinga BET ojja kulwa n'abanyoro botakamanya gangu bata abanyoro baija kuiruke msinde baije I'm telling you
anti bagamba bagamba omujungu wagamba success has many fathers and failure is an orphan.
So basically butulafuna abanyoro balarugayo koraki kuhimba flag on different accolades and platforms wakakola ebintu bili different. That's when you will know that the banyoro tuli bayindi sazi ntibakwenda twekwata baita banyoro bakambange banyoro bagenzi bange muije tweteranize Trolent to lifting Abunyoro because with music it's the only way. There's no other way of trading culture. Muija kugeza mu supporting Kitara, but Kitara football is just football. I'm not saying it is bad to support Kitara FC. I've been a captain of Kitara FC by the way as a footballer. That one is on record. But what I'm saying is football is already a culture. Omuntu aja bateira ompira gonze inywena muliba kibubu you will play. But music you have to know the language whether you want or you don't want. Wauja kure kigambo kyorunyoro obe supposed kiega kukizina gonzo tamanyire meaning. For example tumanyire bigambo byo Nigeria hano bike bya shawo biki byona tubimanyire tukira na Nigeria kitegeze kintu
akutondera Kitara TV nkwenda tusimbe hakati yaho omanyire Kitara TV eno wa gomuha abigendera betu kuli kukuza ebitone ebisembo by'abana so nkwendeze kazi nakya kasinga kunyumira sazi akabanyoro tukakuzanire nibo tugende maji
buzina bwingi oborunyoro haraba zini
tweleza akazina just come tukatere then tugaruka
akazina kama mukatere buzina kabu I'm spoiled of choice because there are many good Runyoro music. They are very good music. But there is a guy nyonyi nabazini bange nabo benyini bajagamba wakati akomera kanga batera kazina kona kabara katera ko Runyoro bukara karugire mbiti ya Matrix well and good. But you can have a choice to do that.
Kutondera Kitara TV katugende mukazina agambe taina kyokoma mbaitu producer ngenda kusaba omwakazina kona ko Runyoro korabo woine then obutwagaruka tweyongere ku bantu nyumya nawo tumuhabuze bye State House akayayo sente bataziyeyo nebinde ebyo mwebale muno.
Yeah, vibes on the beat. Yeah, mubi murapo a Dr. Eli kora byange akekolera happiness baheta kabareka nyikora si business noboranga mbandi muyeye mwana ke yales baruma kabareka mukara na useless sanga bari mbakajoke banka sente zakutenga hurambanka efona tikagira na ranka kebere katafake tikagira waka yo sanga niba kusengo tahaki alinga obono libataga niba kopinga timano libatana bouncinga berera buhanga baboneka muvinga urampesa ngenda tunaza level nimusigara mwesamire mu makevo we matuzine tebinda Steve tobaleke bana bene mitima ya devil tebinda ebigambo by'abantu tebinda gozompaliza kantu tebinda edenye karabyange tebinda kuzunga mbire nkubanka tebinda ndafeke tingira waka tebinda kuzunga mbire nkubanka tebinda ndafeke tingira waka.
Yes, omurozi wa Kitara TV we wale muna akazi nako tukyali no musajja wa Mani Matrix agambirege Matrix kimanyisa amasani akora amasani so tukyagenda tukyanyumya muna mukuru Matrix bigambo bya bayireho bitwawulire twakurana embisano ina president mu State House akasente okafuna akasente nakazendo go byako akafunire abazini bahano bakafuna mbate
abakira batekereza omuntu agenda mu State House abagenzere kukoma kikapu but I want to nkwenda kumanyisa abantu babunyo nayo wenyine olimu nti the most important things in life are free. So there's something that is more than money. Nyo ekiantwaire mu State House mukimanyira kurungi nyoti kwenda kuyakana bamwagizi wenare bandi tibakitwara kurungi but the truth is I support President Museveni for the many things that he has done. Amananu gali kunyagenzere mu State House ntagenda kutabara kikapu nkagenda kusakira Bunyoro nkagenda ku representinga music ya Bunyoro nko omuntu above all I was nkatwarwa nko nkakomwa nko haba youth abakozere impact. First of all, the ambassador, national youth ambassador wa UNAIDS ebyo byonna abantu tibenda kubibaza international ambassador wa UNAIDS so ezo nizo platform ezantwaire mu State House
leko omuntu platform ze zona tuzikenga Kikala TV na bayata implement matrix ho hana bikibe bayiri nokole bindi leka tubikenga
amanano gali ndahangabwa enyakukiikira abasigazi bona mu Uganda ha UNAIDS platform nkota akikire ngabwa yabasigazi mu Africa tamukama watoro so ni nyamu amukikira hano mu Uganda yona so nkagenda mu kiti ekyo ntagende kutabara sente nkabanu bafiga ntagende kukora business I went there mu kiti ekyo kusimibwa bingi ebya discussingibwe ne bya promisingirwe ebituija kwikaho maisaho baitu abo kugonza obutabugutaniza abantu tinja kubibaza baitu mujja kurola bikirani byekora bwekora
basically kakangare mline ya music twina bazini bayingi hano bunyoro nayo gambiri nabo grooming nayo personally nkakurona I think okasoka mukuzina
I think yali muzina albums ziliyo nyingi zijuire kutoka nezijja kutoka
iwe fine ibara lya ulitalimu kwendo mpe at least abazini nkabatana basinga kukolera hano
abasinga kunkolera ati amanano gali nyenda abazini bona babunyoro bona kugira kimu abataba kutandika nyina omuzini wange kizira nfumbyoko mwana abazini bayingi nikyo inakumanya so bunda atandika ku ranking nsano okulema
fine bali bayingi baitu just nyonkusabire batano bonga ibara lya area ulitalimu ibara
lyange litalimu abazini batano bakonyomera nyomero abazini nkachikumi ababunyoro bona era buli muzini aloko bayira bamanya borabo ina fani alibiti ya Matrix nyumiro muno music yawe kandi ngigonza ngipromotinga buli hamu
abantu bagamba mu studio yawo seera muno kandi n'abaana bakuyiya tibazisobola sente Matrix bagamba oyenda muno sente mu studio yawo
bagamba nyenda muno sente boti bazende sente iwo yende sente batoze
nzenda baitu kandi bagamba rogamba nti ati nkaiwe nkoko li representative waba aromana kuja ne yiye nagawe nyonyi nayo kiti baitu bagamba iwo lemeraho
no tikuli gamba ngo ndemeraho baitu nyina standard nyowe nya settingire ko omuntu tinkikorabo kuba nyina muno kikorabo ku improving omutindo ekyo kubanza nti omwana bwara ija studio ya Matrix aka spending a cent akarura nti akozereki arumirwe kuturukia kizina arabiro mburumi oba mbugubi oli bwara ija kamugamba nyine ebitano jozine hano taija kuzina so it is basically a way of elevating the level of music abantu basobole give value inga nekia kandi ebintu byange binkola bya masani abantu babimanyire tindi producer okuzanisa na Buganda mpikani ni bayihaye nkofira ba producer bayingi banterera amasimu abandi nibazike bizina ni masteringa so it is just my level ejo level ni yondo
tugambe ni ensonga abaki abantu abokubampulira abantu ni bagamba Matrix to muhabura tahaburwa ikintu kyabana yenda nikyo nikiekyo tahaburwa mu studio tahaburwa
nyowe amanano gali nyikiriza ideas kyonka haro idea ezintakusa kwikiriza kakusangwa ndora tizikora so mba muntu aba I'm just a person who is open I tell you no this I will not do tinja kukore kintu ngo abo kuboli angambira wakigonze nkole kifu abo kuboli ampaire sente no I will tell you the truth this is right this is wrong ate kitu kyone kitakwikiriza na conscious yange ekyo tutujagenda nakyo era tutugenda nakyo
saa zino omuntu bakubayizire na akasente kaye atandikira mu sente zinga kujja mu studio ya
ati omuntu wena araba naenda kora music ajja kujja studio tukaza sente tukole basically tinkwenda kutinisa oba kukora iyo kimanya ali omuntu akwenda kumpa milioni oba milioni 2 abekizi ati bunku mugambire sente agamba omwojono kamucheke basically akasente tukateseza studio that is an issue of discussion with the customer baitu bona bakwenda kora music bona feelinga tashi yange oija studio but there are other studios aliyo TX aliyo West B aliyo there are many studios that are doing music here but abaragonza tashi yange you can always come and link up
ogeta bitio
beat ya Matrix beat ya
Matrix okozire bizina bingi kizina kikyokura no gamanti kurugantandika production intinka kore kizina kino na nyonki yenda muno
Kizina kia Unites, Kizina kia singile kwa percentage nyingi as a, both as a producer and as an artist. Bakieta, this is the time. It is the national theme song. Yeah, presidential fast track initiative against AIDS. I remember that song production kalikukolea $2,000. Dole 12. Kizina ekyo kikatera CBS kiatera ihanga liona. Kiatera na mahanga gandi the song even featured featuring Gondi Bageta International AIDS Conference ikasa.
Tugambe ni kiye kizina kya hindura bomezi bwa.
Muno kikahindura bomezi bwange nebyo kurora nyina byona. Actually bobaza HIV and music. You will talk about Today Is Me, the anthem of HIV, and then you come to my song. Meaning bobaza HIV na music. Oja kubaza afile bongo le rutaya, then in a new matrix. Kizina ekyo kikantrahya mu line ya legends.
Akutuhuliriza katusoke tufune kizina ekyo.
This is the time.
Yeah, kati akutuhondera Kitara TV katusoke tufune kizina ekyo. This is the time. Ekya matrix akutugambao, then go tugaruke.
Vision 2030, 1990. This is the time. Hakuna utani. This is the time. Hakuna ukimwi.
Omukazi n'omusaija define the health of a family. Mommy and daddy turulere ebyo bwomezi. We the youth should close the tap on new infections. No more death in Uganda related to HIV.
Together we win as youth in fighting HIV.
Together we win as men. Everything we can do. Muno murundi sawa muzano.
Sawa muzano.
Ekitubo ine kumara.
Sawa muzano. This is the time. Sawa muzano. This is the time. Sawa muzano. 1990. Wekebeze, twekebeze. Status ojimanye. Etagala olimirei. Yawe bakulagite. Upstate. Watazara bana botetegekeire. Kamwese kwa hali weweka. Nomukoze wawawe atakusobora. Kwerinda. Koze sasidi. Together we end the scourge of HIV. Together we end the scourge in the fall of Africa.
Kuno murundi tewali muzanyo.
Tewali muzanyo.
Echimala chimala.
Tewali musaga. This is the time. Tewali muzanyo. This is the time. Tewali musaga.
Omwaka buno njagala butuuke ku bavubuka. Obulamu kyeki? Obulamu kyeki?
Kujenga nchi yetu inaomba afya njema, marafiki tusimame tupiganishe ugonjwa wa ukimwi leo. Naomba tuungane tusaidiane kidole, moje vunje chawa.
Naomba tutetee kweli, naomba tujipange, tuwasiliane, kwa mwisho tujiandae, huu ndio wakati.
Hakuna utani.
Huu ndio wakati.
Hakuna ukimwi.
This is the time.
Hakuna utani.
This is the time.
Hakuna ukimwi.
This is the time.
Tewali muzanyo.
This is the time.
Tewali musaga. Tulumbe, tuambe. Vision 2030, 1990. Yeah.
Akutuhondera Kitara TV ekizina bakieta This is the time. Murunyoro kiete kanuni kakaire kandi era kikaterwa musajja ono wa Maira Matrix wenyini. Kizina Matrix okozire ebintu by'amaani munono omuntu bwaba nakurora ebyatakunihiramu. Kiki oli musajja atebazaho muno kiki?
Amanano gali bunyo no bumbani nye describing nkugambira I'm a lion that does not roar. Actually ndi kugamba I'm a hero that you never hear people talk about. But basically kim focusinga onyonko omuntu is the moment I'm remembered by just one person, omuntu omukunyijuka ati, I feel I'm okay with it. So kila muno kuleka kuba loud more than my actions. That's my personality just.
Emma challenges abazini ba facinga niko kubulwa nti nambiri music industry nambiri music nkyawunyoro ne kugwa. And one of the thing ekimanyine nti abaki bata nominating in most cases ebizina byaitu hano tugambe obati bigira oba identity obaki okusikira experience yo ina nti music category ni ya bunyoro okwendeza abana babe mu category ki ya music bazine bizina nkabira byo kusakubara byaho
ekinja kwabura bazini bona it is good to have originality kirungi muno kuba original nyobo nyaizire hano nkageza kuranya creatinga the bunyoro sound nyakwatagana nabantu aba bamanyire bizina byenzarwa nyakwatagana nabantu ababaire mu music ba Nyegenya Francis Boizo basically abana ba bunyoro bafe yo muno kuranti batuke bizina ebikwihayo sound ya bunyoro bakose ebivuga oba sound zenzarwa ndingidi madinda I mean
otugambire genti ota musajja wa NRM kandi wa amani muno ebyabayiro ebyakadaga iwe just turugira mu music okubi commenting awo
Kadaga first of all Kadaga kaba muntu wange but honestly there's what we call a precedent. Abamanyira amateka president is an kuba kuikiraniza okutali formal but still respecting wama it's like a mutual understanding. Honestly I think he made a precedent hanyuma yasanga ne mutayinga ne musiba habo abigendewe bindi but to me I think it was okay to go with the party decision. Yeah, and then Kadaga it still has many things to serve government here.
Ati bokuba norura nti bamuhe kibonerezo batamaye kibonerezo.
Kale with protocol I think she can be cautioned. Abokuba mateka gotiga tigaina kutaliza tigaina kusorora gaina kuba mateka gakora buli muntu wena regardless of position, strength and ability. So I think she should be cautioned. Kimusemere.
Nitumalira program eno ibigambo kivi mu bugufu biwakwendeze kugamba barozi ba Tera TV na nebigambo ebikebekera arabazini
obutumwa bwango bukira bujagenda halabazini nevertheless nabantu babulikiro njya kukora kinja kuba obutumwa abantu ba bunyoro abandurozi ba Tera TV abanya Uganda nywena nkubasaba mumanye hali mu ruga omuntu wena must have your roots, be clear, know your roots. Boraboli munyoroba boraboli muchigama muchiga, but again have what we call kitwa kwesere otaba tu primitive kikamanyisa otaba tu radical iwe kuba munyoro kikamanyisa kujumira omurugwara oba munyankolo baki. I want to tell all Ugandans that unity, our diversity as Ugandans, Uganda kuba ina amahanga maingi, at the same time should be our unity. So there is unity in diversity. So our diversity should be our unity in Kabanya Uganda. Nevertheless, bamunyoro mbe munyankole baitu tusakubaza buli omata kutahira mugenzi we. That is to the general people. Then abazini bamunyoro nkubasaba bene baitu. We have a long way to go. Omuzini wena aloko ija weteranize awuma come register abata register ngire akasente karoka toito mitware ebiri, but it is of your own importance. Come and be part of this so that obene irake eri kusakurwanira nko muntu, because with Wuma is going to be the only way to do music in Uganda. Obile kujja kwiko muntu atali muuma atakusakora kizine. So abazini muje mujoininge Wuma, please keep the faith, musigale ni mukora music. Nkimanyiro burumi bwingi akasente katoito biki, but tusigale twasolinga nekindi abazini tugeze okufuna other alternative sources of income. Mulingo music yaitu tekatandikire kufuna kutahya kurungi, tufune obulyo bundi obukufuna entahya niko tusobole kuba ntusakuteka akasente katoito music, at the same time ntusobora koraki kubeza obumezi bait at the end of the day we have to continue. So kirungi omuzino okufuna akalimu kakufuna makasente kirungi omuzini aikale na akora music. With music you may never know when your whatever time is. Nyosa kumaking a hit at 17 I wither at 25. Nyon only na akora hit at 40 up to 17 as garalista. So with music there is no retirement. Let us keep doing music.
Abarozi ba Kitara TV ogabaire Matrix producer Matrix kandi muzini kandi ambassador nko kera nko kabagambire mwebale muno abayikaire ni mutuhondera kandi era nkwenda kubasaba mugenda Facebook mutulike Kitara TV mugenda YouTube mutusubscribe Kitara TV na Twitter Kitara TV eno TV abana bo mukabanyoro mutulike mufollowing Kitara TV so amabara Julius Kyomuhendo omusajja musajja mulisa kandi zaraba moli kiro kinu gyakangira hanu kambalekera kazi na kanu baketa nkyakugonza kuruga mu mojo bamweta Jimudo kabanyumire mwebale muno
West Records Ajimdo Wali omunywani yatidora tukaya mwenabi Twaine ngozi zamani muno nizitemba nesozi Kandika mumino gantele baby kikankora kubi Utaru betaka hamu buye muyagambaga wewe Nubabo Doran Tandikira na kusiuka Tandikira na kukonoka Tandikira na kujonjubara kulinda ukiali ali wakubanza kandi wakusemba ni wewe kulinda nyamba nyamba wewe nyamba nyamba karuki nyamba nyamba wewe nyamba nyamba I've been thinking of you from Monday to Sunday I've been meeting you from sunrise to sunset and you come pose Otari baby ego evalos Afu yenyi na nyingi Kumisinga ywa mochi Nakutumira muonga kungambire Nakutumira kansera kungambire Nakutumira William kungambire Betu fidi boko yondangi ulire Nubora ya wata kunganza Nyeweki ya kukonza kaniki ya kulinda Ukiali ya wakubanza Kana wakusemba ni wewe kulinda Nyamba Kumisinga ywa mochi Hati Doran Tandikira na kusiuka Tandikira na kukonoka Tandikira na kujonjubara Nubora ya watakuwanza Nyeweki ya kukonza kaniki ya kulinda Ukiali ali wakuwanza Kanya wakusemba ni wewe kulinda Nyamba Nyamba wewe Nyamba Nyamba karuki Nyamba
I want Matrix, my vocal Innovate Brainwax music again I can't even out of me